I feel very cold. My name is Chao CHAU. Can you repeat my name, please? Chao. Thank you. I'm 22 years old and I come from Quảng Nam province. I was a trainee at Streets Noodle Restaurant. I already graduated about 3 months ago. Nice to meet you, everyone. Today I'm really happy to stand here and tell you some types of rice noodle in Hội An. So, you ready?
Yes.
Firstly, this cao lầu. Can you say?
Cao lầu.
Cao lầu.
Cao lầu.
Can you say louder, sir?
Cao lầu.
Good Vietnamese. Can you take a look and touch mouth, please? Cao lầu is a specialty of Hội An. You just only find it in Hội An and nowhere else in Vietnam had it. Because two old family can make it. They use secret recipe and special ingredients like water taken from barley well. An ancient well that is more than 1,000 years old, but it's really fresh and sweet. And from the ash is taken from Cham Island, small beautiful island near Hoi An. That's the reason why when you eat it has a little bit chewy and smoky flavor. And you see it has brown color, that is natural color from the ash. And we serve cao lầu with char siu pork, crispy croutons, and some vinegar. It's really delicious. Have you ever tried it?
No.
You should try it one more time when you come to Hội An. The second one is this bánh cuốn. Can you say?
Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn.
Excuse me, sir. Can you say?
Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn is a steamed black noodle originally come from the north of Vietnam. As you can see, it's very nice because it has two colors inside, orange and black. Sam, what can you guess? What vegetable are these two colors made from? Carrot. Yes, exactly. Carrot. How about black color? Bean. Okay.
Black beans.
Sorry, no, there's a vegetable.
Mushroom.
Yes, mushroom. Black color made from ear mushroom, where you know carrots and ear mushroom are very crunchy. So when you eat it, it makes your mouth noisy, very fun. And we serve bánh cuốn with sweet and sour fish sauce and some ingredients. Bánh cuốn. The third one.
Phở.
No. Sorry, no. Phở. Can you say again, please? Yes. Have you ever tried phở?
Yeah.
Oh, where did you try it?
Noodles of them.
Sorry? Oh, where did you try it? In Vietnam? Yeah.
Quê.
Delicious. Yeah. You know, phở, very popular in Vietnam. Most people in different areas will serve phở with different broths and noodles. And I will tell you, phở in the north and the south, like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, is very fresh and soft. When you see phở in Hội An, it's hard and dry. So when you cook it, you need to dip it in the boiling water first before eating to make it soft. And in Hội An, we just serve phở with slices of dry beef in beef broth and some peanuts on the top.
They have some. Oh, pass it back to them.
And the next one is bún. Can you say?
Bún.
Bún. Say louder. Bún. Yes. Bún looks like initially. People recommend to cook about 24 hours. So it's fermented to give it a special taste. And when you eat it, it's a little bit sour. And we serve bún with grilled chicken, grilled pork, or clam fish. Or if you are vegetarian, you can serve bún with tofu and soya sauce. It's really yummy. The last one is Quảng noodles. In Vietnamese, we call it mì Quảng. Can you say?
Mì Quảng.
Mì Quảng.
Mì Quảng.
Can you say louder, sir? Good Vietnamese. Mì means noodle, Quảng means Quảng Nam province, which is here mì Quảng is very popular in Hội An. And to make it really simple but really interesting, my friend will show you later. Everyone, and after finishing the cooking class day, you will enjoy mì Quảng served here. And I'm sure you will love it because it's really delicious. Okay, everyone, now can you guess the main ingredient to make this noodle?
Rice.
Rice.
Water.
Water.
Salt.
Salt. We just need rice and water. And here we have two kinds of rice. This one is cooking rice. It's long. After cooking, it's soft. Tastes really good, but it's not sticky enough to make this noodle. So that's the reason why we have the second one. This is seared rice. And in Vietnamese, we call it gạo siết. Can you say?
Gạo siết.
You should smile when you say siết. Siết. Say again, please. So many love this smile. Gạo siết in short. After cooking it dry, tastes good too. And it's sticky enough to make this noodle, so we choose that one to make rice better. Now I'm going to tell you how to make rice better. You can take a look at the second poster. Rice better recipe. We take 2 parts of water and 3 parts of seared rice, combine together and let it rest about 5 hours or overnight. And then you have a mixture, and you put mixture into stone grinder to grind it, or now you can use blender to blend it. And then you will have rice better like this. You can see? It's just from rice and water. Very smooth and looks like fresh milk. And to make rice noodle, we use 2 special tools, which is spatula. This ladle is made from coconut, so we call it
Coconut.
yes, coconut ladle. We use this one to take our rice better. And the second one is stick, it's made from bamboo, so we call it bamboo stick. We use bamboo stick to take our rice noodle. Okay, everyone, you have already know the main ingredient to make this noodle, how to make rice better. Now my friend will show you how to make rice noodle. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Thảo, Thao. I'm 21 years old. I'm come from Hanoi, province. I'm a junior in class number 10 at Streets. Nice to meet you everyone. Today I will show you how to make 2 kinds of noodles in Vietnam. The first is plain steamed flat noodle with 1 layer, and the second is plain steamed flat noodle with 2 layers. But before we get started, I would like to tell you a little bit about food safety. The most important thing we learn at Street are handling raw meat, how to label food, and how long it safe to have food at room temperature. And another thing that is very important, everyone, what should you do before you touch the food? Yes, exactly. That's the reason why I have some special napkin here. And now I will use this one to wash my hand first. And later you also use one to wash your hand before you practice making noodles. So please wait a moment.
Anyone also have a camera here so that we can see more easier. Thank you.
Hello everyone, can you see my face? So the first I take the coconut ladle and stir the rice better well. Everyone, you should stir it very well because at the bottom it's very sticky. And now I take a little bit of rice better like this. Everyone, you can see. I take the lid off and put it on the napkin. I pour the whole rice batter in the middle. I use the bottom of the coconut ladle and spread the batter until it looks like a circle. Yes, very nice circle. And now I cover with the lid. Everyone, you remember to cover the hole here. Keep enough steam inside to make the noodle well done. You can try this at home, everyone. You put a fabric over a box of boiling water, then you make it tie with a band or a string. Everyone, if you look carefully, you can see the noodle change color, which means it's well done. So I think the noodle is well done now. I take the lid off and put on the napkin. I take the bamboo stick and dip it in the boiling water. Then I put it under the rice noodle. Go straight. Move to the left. I put it again and move to the right. Now I put it under again and slowly pick it up. Yes. Everyone, you can see it has a long side and a short side. Now I put the long side out first and close it to open. Yes. Very nice noodle. So everyone, this plain steamed flat noodle with one layer. In Vietnamese, we call it bánh ướt. Can you say?
Bánh ướt.
Bánh ướt.
Bánh ướt.
Yes, thank you. The first one on the poster. Yes. So everyone, now it's time to make plain steamed flat noodle with 2 layers. But this time I need a person who volunteered to help. Yes. So now can you stand here? Then you use your hand, move this side, put in the middle here. Yes. Yes. And put it in the middle. Yes. Yes, that's right. And you use the brush here and spread some oil on it. Yes. Spread the whole. Yeah, enough. And now turn the handle clockwise. Yes, yes. Everyone, you can see the noodle is coming. Thank you, sir. And now we have quảng noodles. In Vietnamese, we call it mì quảng. Can you say? Mì quảng. Mì quảng. Mì quảng. Yes, thank you. You can taste it.
Can I taste it?
Yes. You can share it with your friends. Thank you very much.
So everyone, what do you think about making rice noodle?
Easy.
Yeah, very easy. So and now it's time for you to make your rice noodle. So please stand up and pull your chair in. My friend will beside you and help you to make it. Thank you very much.
Have some.
That's quite nice. I would starve if I had to do that every time.
You have to go through all this.
Wants to eat until
Then you take a little bit of rice water.
this enough? Not too much.
Yes. And then you pour the whole in the middle. Oh. And spread it. Oh, a big noodles mix.
Yeah. Yeah, I am. I'm hungry.
Remember, cover the whole here.
Oh.
Yes. So everyone, while waiting for the noodle well done, I would like to tell you how to count down in Vietnamese from 5 to 1. So raise your hand, please. 5,
5,
4,
4,
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Sẵn sàng. Yeah. Sẵn sàng means ready.
Oh.
So now I think the noodles are done. You take the lid off and put it on the napkin.
Oh, 5 seconds.
Yes. No, you dip it in the boiling water first. Then you dip it under. Go straight. Move to the left. Do it again.
Oh, you got. Okay.
Do it again.
Too thick.
Move to the right. See, make a big noodles.
Yeah, thick. Because
And careful when you pick it.
I gotta dip it. Okay.
Leave it slowly. Yes. Put down. Down that side first. Yes. Put here. Mix to roll it. Yes. Very nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes, very nice.
Can't wait for these noodles every night.
Lovely work. Lovely work.
And when I will teach you the way easiest to remember. Everyone, now you can tell down. You say Nam. Don't worry. I will teach you an easy way to remember. So when I say five, it means Nam. You think about my country, Vietnam, Nam. When I say four, it means Bo. Do you still remember the noodles over there? Bo. It's the same. Bo. When I say trees, it means bar. When you come and bring something, bar. Yes. And when I say two, it means hi. It means hello, hi. Yes. And when I say one, it means more. You can say more. Yes, it's the same pronunciation. And ready, it means sẵn sàng. You can say sunshine. Yes, it's the same. So we practice. 5, Nam, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1,
4,
more.
Sunshine.
Yes. And now I think the noodle is good on this.
Are we ready?
You take the lid out and put on the napkin.
Sure. So this way.
Yes. Then you dip it in the boiling water. Yeah. And put it in the middle. Put it under. Go straight. From this side. Yes. Move to the left. In the middle again. And put it up.
Sorry, G.
Yes. Put down here. Yes.
Almost as good as me.
Yeah. Very nice.
Next.
Next. That's right.
Take a sec.